When it comes to choosing the right CRM, Monday CRM is a popular choice. But before you make a decision, there are a few key things you need to know. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether Monday CRM is the right fit for your business, or if one of its competitors might serve you better. First off, Monday CRM offers a solid, user-friendly interface that stands out when compared to other platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce. It's visually appealing and easy to navigate, which is great if you don't want to spend days learning the system. That being said, its simplicity can sometimes mean it lacks a bit of the depth you might find in more complex CRMs like Salesforce. But if you're after a straightforward visual tool that streamlines your workflow without overwhelming you, Monday CRM does a great job. Next thing you should consider is the customization options. Monday CRM allows you to build your workflows from scratch, which is fantastic for tailoring the CRM to your specific needs. Whether you're tracking leads, projects, or customer communication, you can adapt it to fit your process. While competitors like HubSpot offer some customization, Monday takes it a step further by allowing a lot of flexibility in how you manage data and collaborate with teams. But be aware that this level of customization can lead to a steeper learning curve if you're not tech savvy. The third thing to keep in mind is its automation features. Monday CRM offers a solid set of automations, helping you streamline tasks like sending emails, assigning tasks, and updating project statuses. This makes your team more efficient without having to manually track everything. However, compared to tools like Zoho CRM, which also offer a high degree of automation, Monday CRM's features might feel a bit basic, especially if you need more advanced workflows and triggers. Moving on to integrations. Monday CRM integrates with a wide variety of third-party applications, including Google Workspace, Slack, and Outlook, among others. This is a huge plus if you're already using other tools in your business. However, it's important to note that while integrations are solid, they can sometimes be a bit limited compared to a CRM like Salesforce, which offers a deeper, more extensive integration ecosystem. The fifth thing you should know is that Monday CRM offers excellent collaboration tools. With features like file sharing, task assignments, and real-time updates, it's designed to help teams stay on the same page. Compared to other CRMs, the collaboration features are top-notch. For example, Salesforce can be a bit rigid when it comes to team interaction, whereas Monday CRM gives you a more dynamic, flexible approach that's ideal for project management and communication. Next, let's talk about pricing. Monday CRM offers a variety of pricing plans to fit different business sizes and budgets. The lower tier plans can be great for small businesses or startups that don't need the full suite of features offered by larger CRMs. However, as you scale and need more advanced features, the pricing can quickly increase, making it less affordable than simpler tools like HubSpot. It's something to consider if you're planning on scaling your operations in the future. Finally, let's touch on customer support. Monday CRM has a great support team, but it can sometimes take a bit longer to get help, especially during peak hours. This is one area where larger CRMs, like Salesforce, tend to shine with more dedicated customer support options. But Monday CRM does offer helpful resources, including tutorials, webinars, and a robust knowledge base that can get you through most issues. So, now that you have a clear picture of Monday CRM, what's the verdict? If you're looking for an intuitive, flexible CRM that's easy to use and perfect for small to medium-sized businesses, Monday CRM might be exactly what you need. But if you're after a more advanced, customizable solution with extensive integrations, you might want to look into alternatives like Salesforce or Zoho. If you want to give Monday CRM a try, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and access to exclusive benefits. Don't miss out.